flashlight was on. I was gonna take a flashlight.
They can hear you.
Huh?
No, stop. Hi, it's Brittany and Caitlin, and she's gonna be showing you how to do a French braid, and then I'm gonna be showing you how to do the
Brittany.
this bun thingy. Okay, so I'm gonna turn around and let her show you how to do the French braid, and then yeah, we're not gonna be talking much, but here we go.
Okay.
You gotta give them the instructions.
I know. Wait. I can't see. Okay. Hopefully they can see this, Brittany. Oh, God. Okay, well, step 1, you gotta comb through all your hair.
To the back or wherever you want to.
Yeah. Okay. And then step 2, you get a section of your hair.
Section of your hair. Yep. That's the same section. That FaceTime thingy.
Huh? Okay, well, and for what I do for mine, a lot of people don't, I don't know if really anybody does this, but, hold on. Are you pinching me? Huh? Hold on.
Hurry up.
Shut up. Okay. Well, when you get that middle section, this is going to be your middle section. When you get your section, I usually tie it off with a rubber band. Fine. And then just tighten it. Yeah. Just find out.
You do it.
Well, this, I'm not going to make it really neat, because, I mean, everybody else will try this. Well, I'll try to make it neat, but anyway. And after that, you'll get your first section and the third section, like, I comb that. You take that, and while I'm getting my sections, I usually take the first section I get. You can start off with either side, but, like, I fold it over, and then get that side, and cross that over. So basically what you're doing is you're crossing each section over. And as you're, now after you cross it the first time, you're going to start adding hair in. So like, I'm going to do it on this side because I don't think y'all can see the other side, but like, you take a piece of hair and you're going to cross it over that part. And then get a piece of hair from over here. And cross that over. And then, yeah. Sorry. Okay, so you're just going to keep doing the same thing, adding hair in. Your hair is great.
Can we just listen to this?
Huh?
Can we just listen to this?
Hold this please. This up part. Okay. And then you're just going to keep adding hair in. Hold that again, please. Okay. This one's not really neat, but you know, if you actually take your time, it will be. I know, I gotta fold it over. You're taking it. Okay, and we're almost done. And when you get done taking all the hair and all, it's just a regular braid.
You also know me if you want to do it, right?
Yeah. And then when you get done with taking all the hair, it's just a regular braid. Brittany, they can't see. Oh my god. Where's some rubber bands? Are they in this drawer yet? I think. This drawer was the second.
Middle one.
That's really pretty. Hold on. I'm showing what it's supposed to look like. Okay. It's supposed to look kind of like something like that.
Like that.
Ain't that pretty? Okay. Well, Brittany, you can go ahead and start talking again. Well.
Okay.
Subscribe
Now,
to our channel.
no, we can't say that yet. Well, yeah, subscribe, whatever. But I don't really care if you do or not. Just whatever. Where'd the bun go? Where'd the bun thingy go?
Brittany, you're gonna do separate videos.
Where'd the bun thingy go?
It's in the drawer. I guess you put it back because it's in there.
Okay, we're just gonna do a bun thingy in another video. Okay, subscribe, like, bye.
Brittany, we're gonna have to watch. Okay. We're definitely